Hello, YouTubers, millionaires, future millionaires. My name is Ali. On this channel, we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, click that red subscribe button. Continue on watching. Today, we're going to talk about how to install Google Tag Manager onto your ClickFunnels website, or a ClickFunnels funnel, or a ClickFunnels page, whatever you want to call it. So basically, what you want to do after you set up your Google, I don't have that. I'm not going to go through the process on how to set this up. But after you set your tags, for example, I have two of them set up right now. I have one for Solar Green Day, which is a website that I built. This is built with WordPress, and this one here I have PWA container website. So I'm going to go down here. And I'm gonna. What it does after you set up your tags, it creates a GTM number for you here. See, I have two different GTM. One is for this solar website, and another GTM for PWA container. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click over here where the dots are. I'm gonna go to container settings. Nope, I don't want to go here. I want to go. Wait a minute. I want to go back. I hope you guys had a great Christmas, and I hope you guys are ready for 22. Let's make some money next year. Let's help a lot of people, and at the same time, help ourselves. All right. Install Google Tag Manager. You want to come down here, and you want to grab this thing here, and you see where it says paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible. So basically, you just want to click on this thing here, right here, and it's going to tell you it's copied. You see down here. All right. You want to go back to your ClickFunnels website, and you want to come down here. This is the head. So you want to paste that in the head. And now the second part's here. Additionally, paste this code immediately after the opening body tag. So you want to come down here, just click on the copy button over here, and it shows you that it was copied. And you want to go back to ClickFunnels, come back here in the body, and hit paste. Basically, you go into any funnel here. I didn't explain this part. When you go into ClickFunnels, you just choose whatever funnel you want, of course. And I just right now it's a PWA funnel, so I'm putting my pixel on my tracking container, Google Tag Manager. I'm installing it in this funnel. Okay, so after you paste your snippet and head, and you paste the other snippet in the body, you want to come down here at the very bottom, and you want to click save and update. Okay, boom. So right here it says funnel was successfully updated. Okay, so now after, what I usually do, I don't like to install my tracking pixel right on my page. I like to install it on my. I like to put all my pixels within the tag manager. A Google Tag Manager is basically just a container. You can put in your Facebook pixel in there. You can put in a Twitter pixel. You can put in a Pinterest, any other platform. You can put all your tracking pixels within the container. So what I did over here, I installed my container on ClickFunnels opt-in page, and I would go back to Tag Manager, and I would install all my pixels within the Tag Manager. I'm going to do another video, guys, so that breaks down step by step on how to go through this process.